Hello, we're going to be doing lesson 6.9 today, divide greater numbers. We're going to be moving into dividing 3 and 4 digit numbers, and it's very similar to how we divided 2-digit numbers. We're just going to add a couple more digits in the dividend. So let's begin. There are 678 people in line to ride a roller coaster. Each coaster car holds 6 people. How many coaster cars are needed so that everyone in line rides the coaster once? So our equation is going to be to divide 678 by 6. We'll start in the hundreds. We'll be dividing the hundreds first. 600 divided by 6 is going to be 100. We multiply that times the 6 and we get 6. We subtract and we get a 0. We compare, and 0 is less than 6, so we can bring down the tens now. Now we're ready to divide the 7. 7 divided by 6, it can go one time. And then we go through the steps again. 1 times 6 is 6. We subtract, and we get a 1. We compare, and 1 is less than 6, so we are ready to just keep going. We're going to bring down the next number, and our new dividend is 18. 18 divided by 6 is 3. I go through the steps and I multiply. 3 times 6 is 18. Subtract, compare, well, there's nothing left. So my answer is going to be 113. Okay? So 678 divided by 6 equals 113. So 113 coaster cars are needed. Let's continue with one more example. Example 2. A roller coaster takes about 4 minutes to travel its 1,970-foot track. How many feet does the coaster travel in 1 minute? Okay, our equation is going to be to divide 1,970 by 4. Again, I'm just going to start in the greatest place value. Oh, I'm sorry. We're going to estimate first. 1,970 could round to 2,000, and we can divide that by 4. I look for my basic fact. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So I'm going to add 2 more zeros, and that's going to be about 500. So let's see if we can get an answer that's close to that. We'll start by looking at our greatest place value. And in this case, it's the thousands. But 1 will not be divided by 4 evenly. So then we have to look at the number 19 as a whole. Okay? So we're going to divide the thousands and the hundreds together. And 19 divided by 4 can go about 4 times, which 4 times 4 is going to be 16. And we subtract. And then 3 is less than 4, so we know we are ready to move on to the tens place. Bring down our tens, and our new dividend is 37. 37 divided by 4, ooh, close, I can get to 9, and that would be 36 because I can't go over, so 36. Then I subtract, and 1 is less than 4, so I can bring down my ones. Oh my gosh. We're going a lot of numbers. Bring down the 0. And now my new dividend is 10. Well, there are 2 4s in 10, giving me 8. Then I subtract, and 2 is my remainder. Put that up there. 2 is less than 4, so I know I'm okay. So, if it can travel a little more than 492 feet each minute. The answer, a little more than 492. And I keep saying a little more because of the remainder. The answer, a little more than 492, is close to the estimate of 500. So the answer is reasonable. Okay? All right, look to your teachers to see for more instruction.